It's a Saturday. And it's one of those days. But anyway, let me just wake up and try again. Like, I don't even know how I'm feeling today, but I know that I'm not feeling good. I usually wake up and pray, and my prayer point is always Sibonga. Like, it's like today I've literally been decomposing on this bed for hours. If I told you what the time is right now, like, you'd be shocked. Today is one of those days where I just feel like I wish I didn't wake up today. Like, I'm just I'm not I'm struggling to put it into words how I'm actually feeling, but I'm sure you get me. So let me just wake up and see what I can do today.
I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartier's, and the deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Now I gotta block these, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi.
to wash dishes, my dear, you definitely have the wrong one. So today I am having muesli. I don't know why I'm obsessed with Simple Truth high protein muesli. I don't know whether it's because it says it's written high protein or what, but whatever. I just love it regardless. Even though it's quite pricey, but I like, feel that tropical smell. It ends. Also, guys, I don't know which one is the right thing to do. Like, is it better to have your breakfast first before you brush your teeth, or you brush your teeth before your breakfast? Like, which one is the right thing to do? If I brush my teeth and then come back and eat, I'll always feel that need to go and brush again. Like, I don't know if it makes sense, but I don't know. Also, I know a lot of people have questions about the video I posted about my car being taken away. Well, the car is very much still mine, but the problem is it's been giving me a lot of mechanical issues, electrical issues. Like, it's been giving me all the things that people said when I bought the Range Rover, like, you just bought the worst car, and I was like, I don't care. I actually care now, because first of all, when I bought the car, it's been a year now. When I bought the car, it's a 2020 Evoque, so it's now out of maintenance plan. So you can imagine, my maintenance plan or warranty, whatever it is, I don't know anything about these things, but yeah, whatever it is, it's out of it, and now that means any issue with the car has to come out from my pocket. Yeah, I fucked up. Very big decision that I made. I should have, I don't know, the problem is, when I was looking to buy a car, I had specific things that I was looking for, like the interior had to be white or something close to white, and when I saw that car, it was exactly what I wanted. But now, the problem was that warranty thingy, but I was like, I don't care anyway. Maybe in a year I'll get a new car or something, but I'm definitely not planning to have that car as my forever car. I mean, I'm still young, 25. I'm still going to drive a lot of cars, like. So yeah, right now I'm really contemplating letting the car go. Yeah, it's gonna be sad, but I have no choice. My pocket is running dry because of that car. Like, honestly. It's beautiful, it's sexy, it compliments me well. But nah, I'm too young for this stress. Stop looking at me like that. It's ginger as a yiki muesli, my babes. Yeah, leave. So I finally finished eating. Right now right now I'm just gonna brush my teeth, take a shower, and head to Westpac. There's some containers I need to buy from there, because I am on Monday, I am starting my bulking journey, and I need to start meal prepping. I need to eat consistently. So I know I'm very lazy to cook these days. I must be in the mood for me to cook. So my meal prepping really helps me stay in track with my goals. So yeah, also guys, my toothbrush has been missing. I don't know where it is. I don't know where I put it, so I'm literally using this travel toothbrush. And yesterday I even went out to buy a few things, a few groceries, and I don't know, for some reason I forgot to buy it. Instead I just bought a tongue scraper. I don't know how my brain works sometimes. Like, I'm supposed to be using this for sleeping, but for some reason, I just I forget. Especially these days, like I've just been raw dogging life, man. Like, no coordination. You must wash your nyash very well. I'm done. Lonely at the top. Bang, 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 bang. Honestly, it's definitely lonely at the top, but it's lonely. It was even lonely. It was even lonely at the bottom. So not faced, but like the past few, I don't know whether to say months or the past few weeks have just been a very, I don't know, depressing feeling, where I was just like questioning the dynamic of life. Like, what is life? Like, what did we come here to do? Like, are we just here to live and exit? Like, I don't know how to put it into words, but just I just find myself questioning myself, like, yo, like, people are like this, like, this is what adulthood, this is how adulthood is. Like, nobody gives a fuck about anybody. It's just people being dishonest for no reason. Like, it's just everything all at once. Like, I'm not sure I want to be here. I'm not even sure I want to bring someone to this world. Like I don't want to have a child. Like I don't see myself bringing a child into the world. And it's funny because every time I tell people this, they're always like, "Oh no, you don't want to leave a mini you, or you don't want to leave a trace of you or something like that." But I'm like, do we really have to though? Like, do we really have to leave something? Like, I don't care to be remembered as someone that did this or did that. Like, in the next 100 years, all of us, even you watching this video, all of us will be gone. Like, none of us will be here. No one will remember us. So, what does it matter how you are remembered in the world? Like, it's so crazy. Like, I know there's a lot of people that don't do things that they want to do because they're scared of what people might say, what people might do. Like, do whatever makes you happy. Like, guys, it's just so crazy, honestly. But I don't know. I feel like I've even lost the meaning to life. Like, I've just been demotivated to do anything, to try anything. Like, the only thing that's on my mind right now is just travel, explore, see things that I haven't seen before, do things that I haven't done before. But the rest, I bought this yesterday. It smells so good. It's vanilla, tube rose and sweet vanilla. It's definitely sweet. Also, I bought this a few weeks ago, and I really don't know how to use it. Like, are you supposed to use it as moisturizer, or because it smells nice, but it's the beads that stress me. It's like butter. Anyway, I can't moisturize with you guys watching. You guys, it's so hot. Like, I'm burning, I'm sweating, and I want to moisturize my face, but I can't when I'm sweating like this. I don't know whether it's because of the shower I just took or what, but I'm going through it, bitch. Also, my skin, guys, like, one day it's looking all rough, then the next day I have no pimple, like, I look good. Another thing, okay, let me moisturize my face first before I touch my hair. Also, this thing I'm going through, I don't know whether it's an existential life crisis, or I don't know, guys. Like, I don't know, but I'm just so exhausted. But it's mostly because of people. Like, I feel like the people that I meet in my and the people that I meet as I grow older are just so draining, like, very draining. I think maybe I never used to feel it before, that people are like this, because I was just like an I don't care person. I was young and I didn't really give a fuck about people. But now that I'm getting older, it's just like, I don't know. I really don't know. I forgot to put sunscreen. This is so expensive. So when I use it, I make sure that I put a little. But you know what they say, a little goes a long way. So yeah, and also I have a different sunscreen for my full body. This is the one. If I wanna use it all over my body, but that one is only for the face because child. I'm not one of those. I'm not one of those. I just hope with everything that I'm saying on here, like people just don't misinterpret me or like I don't know what style I want to do today, but I know I want something different. I don't know, does that work? Or I should do it like this. Okay, let's do it like this first. Like, I can just imagine if I'm feeling like this at this age, how much more when I'm actually older. Like I just put myself in those old people's shoes, like our senior citizens. Like, I'm already tired of this world. How much more someone that has lived in it for more than 50 years? And no, guys, don't get me wrong. I'm not suicidal. I'm too much of a coward for that. I am not suicidal at all. But people just make me sick. Like, it's every man for themselves. Like, people just come around you off of what they can gain from you. It's very difficult to, okay, most people say it's very difficult to find genuine connections. Like, for me, I believe that it's very difficult. For me, I believe it's not difficult. There just aren't any genuine people like that. Or maybe I haven't met one, I don't know. I don't know. But like, honestly, these days, when I pray to God, I don't include long life anymore. Yes, prosperity, yeah, because I want to prosper while I'm on this earth. But long life, nah, I'm good, guys. There's nothing nice about this world. People are killing each other left, right, and center. Like, we are scared for our lives. It's even more difficult being a woman. Like, you see, now that I don't have a car, like, it's gonna be very difficult to get me out of the house. Even when I had a car, like, there's places that I'm scared to go to because I'm like, something might happen to me, you know, all those kind of things. Like, why should I be living in fear? Is that the kind of living that we're supposed to live? Constantly living in fear? Nah, man. Like, I just wish I can just disappear into thin air because I can't take this anymore. I can't. So my phone is in the charger, but I don't want to stop vlogging because I'm going out. But I just wanted to show you guys my dress for my errands. Anxiety, people watching me. It's my anxiety. Okay, guys. I definitely gained some weight, or I don't know. But The dress is definitely tighter. Oh, I look so cute, like, damn. And I'm single. I don't understand. Another thing, I've literally given up on trying to look for love. And I don't even want love to find me. Like, I'm done. I am done. Be it friendships, be it relationships, I am just done. Ke grand, ke sharp ka vibe, okay? Like, can you understand the things that I'm going through this morning? Like, anyway, this is my scent for the day. Some Tom Ford. It's becoming my everyday scent now because I literally don't have anything else to put on. All my perfumes are gone, and I don't know what perfume to buy. I'm tired of smelling the same. I don't know. Fuck. Hayi amahle buvulela ntoni? Sileqo sinjong. This one is a runner, a track star. You want me to chase you all over the complex now? Busi yapi? Eh? Busi yapi? Buvulela ntoni? Buvulelani? Yo. Yini ndisazithanda. I can't find the containers that I'm here looking for, but I definitely need to leave with something because I need something to pack my food in, so I have no choice but to get these ones for now. It's just temporary. Then I'll just keep coming back to check if they have the ones that I want, because I used to buy them from here. So yeah. Yebo. I'm not happy with the things that I'm seeing today, but I think I'll just take these. I don't like plastic containers, but right now I have no choice. This is just temporary anyway, so. Oh well, I am very much sad I didn't get what I came here looking for, because one thing about me, any small inconvenience, it just has the power to demotivate me from everything that I had planned to do. Because like, oh, like how worse can my day get? Oh fuck. Ooh, I just felt a pain, very sharp pain on my chest. Anyway, what that Uber guy did to my car can never be undone, because I can never forgive him, because my car right now is making sounds that I do not understand. It's just creeping me out. Like, people will come to you begging for help. He was begging for a job, like asking me to help him out. I helped him, and this is how he repaid me. Which brings me back to the to me saying how shitty people are. Like, people are so shitty. And it doesn't matter how nice you are to them. It doesn't matter. They don't care. If someone wants to do you dirty, they'll do you dirty regardless. Oh guys, no. I'm so done. So I did mention that I'm bulking starting from Monday, which is tomorrow, but I'm still finding it difficult to decide whether I want to do a clean bulk or a dirty bulk. Now my only issue, okay, the dirty bulk will definitely give me the results that I'm looking for faster, but the downside of it is that when I'm cutting, I'll have to cut out all sugar and carbs. Like, that is crazy, because I don't think I can stay away from carbs and sugar like 100%. When you're cutting after a dirty bulk, you have to like totally refrain from eating sugar and carbs. I don't know. I'll see what I decide when I wake up in the morning, because either way I'm not gonna be able to cook my meals today. I'm already disappointed by the fact that I didn't get the containers that I was looking for. So yeah, today I won't be making my meal preps. Yeah. Khaila is Savannah, a very cold one. I'm sure there's a liquor shop somewhere around here. Because initially I was looking for like coffee or something like that, but I changed my mind. I don't want coffee anymore. About this stress and naso right now, sitting at Savannah. Bandai, the very cold one. And also, I know a lot of people are gonna be asking me, have I tried therapy, or like, because you guys can see that I'm actually going through an episode that I can't really explain right now. We were like, have you tried therapy? Yes, I've tried therapy, and I don't know, I don't think it's for me. And that therapist literally just confirmed something that I already knew already. Like, that was it. And then we just parted ways. Like, I didn't find it effective. It didn't make me feel better. It didn't change anything. I just felt like I wasted money instead, because also maybe I chose the wrong one. I don't know. Like, what would you advise me to do in terms of picking when picking what's this? When picking a therapist, like, what are the elements that you like? What are the characteristics that you look for? Do you check age? Is it age, race? I don't know. Like, for me now, would you say an older person would work better? And what race? If it's an older person, a white person or a black person, which one is better? Or a female or male? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Wait a minute. Where the hell am I? Okay, nothing but ice cream, Givenchy. Let me go get some ice cream. There's no parking. Ugh. There is literally no parking. You know, I can never understand people that drop their cars. Like, why? Like, what's the reason? I feel like that is torture. So now you'll be torturing us driving behind you when you get to a speed hump. Ushayama into singazaziyo. My car is fucked. Like, iphelile indaba yayo. Where can I get a savannah? Okay, got some Joshua Lilanga. I need some vitamin D. Should I carry my bag? I don't need a bag. Yabo? I just want bag inkunzi. Yini bag yami 10,000. 10,000 yonke will be gone. Okay. I got my ice cream. Now we must get that savannah. I'm seeing a liquor shop across the road. I just need one. I don't need any more. One. Just one will do. Fine. So I ended up buying two. See what I mean when I said I literally changed my mind last minute. So that's why I was like, let me not make any decisions today. I'll definitely decide tomorrow whether I am doing a daily bowel motion. So yeah. Hi, my name is Atule and I am an alcoholic. Oh, chocolate now. I'm definitely drinking for the last day today. From today going forward for the next 3 months, I won't be drinking. No, let me not put that much pressure on myself because I'll definitely drink on weekends, but during the week I am not touching a single drop of alcohol. Just staying consistent. Anyway, my phone is on 2%. I need to get home ASAP. And there's somebody parked behind me. I have no idea who that is. I don't know. But I need to move. See you on the flip side. Not my ear. Is it not bitter? I also hate guys that do that. Like, why are you licking your ear?
So we understand. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like because I dreamed so much as a young girl, and when I finally got them, I find it even harder to lose them.
Anyway, I got home not so long ago. My battery died on the way, so it's by the grace of God I was able to get here because I'm new in this area and I don't know the roads yet, but God led me until I arrived home safely. So yeah. May God give more wisdom and grace. Ah, the lighting is bad from this side. Amen. You missed me. Amen. Toby. The weirdest thing I've seen in my life. So I just woke up. I just woke up from a nap, which was supposed to be a 1 hour nap or 30 minutes nap. I did put an alarm. I don't know whether I put for the wrong time or what. I didn't hear it ring. Anyway, I'm just gonna wake up now and go make some dinner because I gotta eat. I will. This one savannah knocked me out. Like, I don't believe.
I believe a gift is a gift, no matter what. If somebody wants to retract the gift, that's upon them. But I think you give it to them.
So today we are making chicken alfredo. Come. Let me just get everything that I'm gonna need. So we need my cream, my milk. What else? Last one. You can smell it already. And I put oil. Why is the thing sticking? Oh, I don't like this. I hate inconveniences like this. Like it's making me want to start the whole thing all over again. Because I'm also a perfectionist. Like if I'm making something, I need it to be perfect. No matter how faithful you try. Things always work together for good. There was a time I wanted to throw this tripod away because I was like, I'm not gonna need it anyway. Like I couldn't use it to maintain the content. Look at me now. Which brings me back, it takes me back to my hoarding tendencies. I pause into on easy. Because, oh, you light. What a god. I think I can make it breathe. How do I? Better than. Why is it so fast? Yeah, they're kind of bad. It's I'm hide and seek. That's a big chef. This is why I don't want. I think my pen is small. My pen is too small. I need to transfer it to a bigger pot. Daddy? Girlfriend. Boyfriend. I saw us and taken about it. I thought I would. God blesses me with a man now. The way I'll cook for him. Now it's time for the main ingredients. Please check if there's coffee up above you.
Ayoko, babes. I know ayoko. Okay, my pot is small. I guess you guys can see the idea now, but now I need to transfer it because everything is cooked. I think it didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out, but it's not that bad. I think I just didn't put enough cream, but it's good. It's alright. I don't think it's a good idea for me to call this a chicken Alfredo. Let me just say a creamy chicken pasta. yeah, creamy chicken pasta. Because it's not giving Alfredo. Also, I hate how these restaurants, the way they will pack pasta, and then chicken will be five nuggets of chicken. I'm there for the chicken, please. Sweet, sweet child. I don't know, guys. This song has been ringing in my mind like literally the whole entire day. Ugh. And just like that, we are done. Imagine. Look at that. How did I forget my son? No presentation, no time for presentation. Toby, come. Enjoy. Imnandi. Toby. Toby. Uzobona uzobhela ukunikwa ngubani ukutya. Actually, no, it's actually good. Nah. The enter. Yeah, it's not long. You just finished your own food.
Back.